In question 6, we're given this pie chart and they're for big cats in a zoo. And all together there are 20 big cats. We're given 4 statements and we have to tick the ones that are true. Now before I go any further, in one full pie chart you have 360 degrees. Now the first statement is there are more cheetahs than jaguars. And we can see that this angle here is bigger than this, or this sector is bigger than this. So the first statement is true. The second statement is the total number of lions and tigers is 10. Now this is where we need to look. We know the whole circle is 20. So what I need to do is find out whether a tiger and a lion added together give half a circle. One way of doing this is if I continue this line and extend it down, and this here is half a circle. Now you can see that tigers and lions together give more because there's this extra bit here. So the second statement is not true. The third statement is that 1/4 of the big cats are cheetahs. So let's look at the sector for cheetahs. This little symbol here, this little square symbol, tells us that it's a right angle. So let me write down right angle. And we know a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. And 1/4 of a full circle is 90 degrees. So let's try that. So we want to do 360 degrees shared by 4 because we want 1/4. And what I like to do is 360 divided by 4 because I can use the bus shelter. So it's raining. 360 is getting wet. So what I'll do is I'll build a bus shelter here. And I'll put 360 inside. Now the 4 has to go outside. How many 4s are there in 3? 0. So what I'll do is I'll carry this 3 over. So that becomes 36. How many 4s are there in 36? So if you know your times tables, that's easy. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. So I'll just stop there. So how many 4s are there in 36? Let me have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9 goes there. And finally, how many 4s are there in 0? 0. And we can stop there because we've come to the end of the number. So that's our number. 0, 9, 0. And what did we say about leading zeros? We can either ignore them or cross them out. So our answer is 90. So 1/4 of this circle is 90 degrees. And this little symbol here tells us that it's 90 degrees. So the third statement is correct. And the fourth statement is there are more than 5 jaguars. Now, if we look at the sector for jaguars, let me just shade that in. Now, altogether, there's 20 cats. And let's look at cheetahs. Let's divide it by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So we know 1/4 of a circle is 5. So there's 5 cheaters. But if you look carefully, and if I were to extend this line down, this would be 5, but there's less. So the fourth statement that there's more than 5 jaguars is false. So the only 2 statements that are true is the first one and the third one, number 1 and number 3.